Welcome! In this tutorial I want to show you how to enter and quit DFU mode in your iPhone SE 2020. So in the very beginning you need to open iTunes application, so you can download it from Apple Store or Apple website. Then we need to plug our mobile into computer by using USB cable. So let's do it just like this. Okay, nice. And now if you want to enter DFU mode, we need to do some combination. So the first combination is volume up, volume down and side button for a couple of seconds. Then we need to wait until our iPhone turned off. Then we have to push down volume down button with side button for 5 seconds. After that, after 5 seconds, we need to release side button and keep still just volume down. So let's do it. So volume up, volume down and side button, keep it. Okay, then we need to use volume down button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then just volume down button. There you go. So our iPhone is still looks like turned off, but on our iTunes we have information that iTunes has detected on iPhone in recovery mode. So now we are in DFU mode. Just click OK. Then if you want to quit this DFU mode, we need to make a different combination. It is volume up, volume down and keep side button. So let's do it. Volume up, volume down and side button. Keep it. There you go. We just quit DFU mode. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.